Say hi, guys!
Oh, let's give Toby.
Diretsong debits ang sinabi, ang equivalent nun, receipts. May ganyan sa examen, either ang babanggitin niya ay book debits,
1, 2, 3, go! We're buying Dubai chocolate. Dubai chocolate, yeah. Taste test!
Go. It's like one bite lang.
One shot. 1, 2, 3, go. Cheers! Cheers! 1, 2, 3, go. Cheers! Okay, one bite, one bite.
One bite. Ang laki.
1, 2, 3, go. School is done. School? Uni? College? College is done.
Graduate ka na?
We're going to Blaze. We're gonna get our scallops. I'm on my way to see my boyfriend. There's a lot of things happening right now here in UST. There's bazaars left and right. And so earlier my friend Annika and I were like scrolling around and buying some foods to eat, and I also bought a card poster that I've shown here in the video. It's really cute and it's only 70 pesos. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. Vlog.
Thank you. Oh, hey. Yay! That's mine.
Mochi again.
Patapon eh.
Hanapin.